If you're tired of watching your money disappear the moment we get paid, you're not alone. Over 60% of people live paycheck to paycheck. Today, I will show you how to break the cycle, even if you feel stuck. First step, know your bare minimum cost of living. You can't escape the paycheck trap without knowing your true monthly cost. Here are the steps to do this. First, list all your essential costs, things like rent, food, phone. Next, remove the wants, things like eating out, buying brand name clothes, then total it. That becomes your baseline. Second step, build a $500 mini emergency fund. A mini fund stops small emergencies from destroying your budget. Use things we've discussed in previous videos like the $5 rule, selling unwanted items and cutting subscription costs. Third step, pay yourself first. Before paying any bills, save something, even if it's $5. Automate it and make it non-negotiable. Fourth step, stabilize your spending. Use the daily spend limit, pick a daily budget and stick to it. For example, limit yourself to $20 a day and anything unused rolls over into the next. Fifth step, use a zero-based budget. Give every dollar a job. No more mystery spending, use your hard-earned money to work for you. Sixth step, increase your margin. Your margin is your income minus your expenses. Remove one bill, earn $50 to $100 extra weekly. Reduce delivery spending. You can escape paycheck to paycheck living. It starts with structure and one small habit at a time. Subscribe for more tools to build financial freedom.